Okay, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today we're doing lesson 7, page 14, the double fatha. Also the two zabar, as said by some. So double fatha. So I'm going to be looking at the double kasra as well as the double damma as well. So I'm going to explain them together. I think it'd be easier that way. To understand the double fatha, we're going to quickly go back to the single fatha to remind us how to read that. So the single fatha is over here. So we said that it makes an sound, isn't it? So the sound that makes this is an sound. So when it comes to a double fatha, all we're doing, we take that same thing, so it's but we're adding an n at the end. So if you look over here, back to our double fatha, it is pronounced like n or n. It is also called two zabar. Okay, so with a single fatha, it was a. So when we make it a double fatha, all we're doing is adding an n at the end, so it becomes an. And likewise all of these as well. An, ban, tan, than, jan, han, and this one is full mouth. Khon, dan. So here this one is full mouth, so you can take a note of it and circle it in your qaida. Dan, than, ron. So again the ra over here will be full mouth as well. Ron. So it's not ran, it's ron. And same with this one. It's not khan, it's khon. So full mouth. Zan, san, shan. And again this one is full mouth. Son. And if you notice the son, the way I pronounce it, it should not have a w sound in it. So it's not swan, the sw with a w, it's son. And likewise full mouth. So all these full mouth letters, make sure you circle them in your qaida. So this is one. So it's not do one with a w, it's one. And like this, ton. So it's not to one, it's ton. So again, this is full mouth. So circle this one as well. Then ron, an, ron. So again, this one is full mouth. So the ghain and the dha, they're both full mouth letters. Fan, qon. So again, circle this one. This is full mouth. Qon, kan, lan, man, nan, wan, han, an, and yan. Okay, so that's the how to pronounce the double fathas. Okay, so now I'm going to quickly explain the double kasra over here and also the double dammas on page 16 as well. Before we go on to the exercises at the bottom of page 14. So again, the same thing. So now we've learned how to say the double fathas. So now we're going to go and see how to say the double kasras in lesson 8. So again, if you remember what we've done with the fatha, so first we said it was a, and when we make a double fatha over here, all we're doing is adding a n at the end, an n sound, so it becomes an. So now, same thing. So now, if you go back to kasra, an alif with a kasra, the way it's pronounced is e. Okay, so now again the same thing. So now here, with one kasra, it was e. So when you make it a double kasra, it becomes with an n sound at the end. So it becomes in, bin, tin, thin, jin, hin, khin, din, thin, rin, zin, sin, shin, sin, lin, tin, lin, rin, rin, fin, qin, kin, lin, and so on. Okay? So that's the double fatha and that's the double kasra. So like you notice, all we're doing is we're taking how you normally say it and then just adding a n sound at the end. So now the double damma is the same thing. So now imagine if this had one damma, so alif with a damma or pesh as you call it, alif, pesh, u, isn't it? So now that it has double damma, if you look over here, this is a double damma, and there's two of them. So all it does, you take the u and you put an n sound again at the end. So it becomes un, bun, tun, thun, jun, hun, khun, dun, and so on. Okay, and then next we're going to start the exercises on the next video.